Hey everyone, so today I'm making my version of chickpea cucumber salad. So I soaked some chickpeas overnight and this is the byproduct of it. This is the next day. And these ingredients that are going to go in my chickpea cucumber salad is tomatoes and onions, cucumbers, zucchinis, carrots, avocados, and I was thinking about making out of the avocados a little sauce, but we'll see. I might just dice up the avocados, but if it's already like ready, I'm gonna just make it into a sauce. So let's clean everything and chop everything up and get started. Now let's go ahead and cook them. Get the seeds out. Get the seeds out. All right, and then we're gonna put some salt, pepper, and Italian seasoning. You know, my favorite. Sprinkle all of that on there. I know it don't look like it's a lot of chickpeas. It's not because me and Egypt been eating them as I've been making the sauce. And we're just gonna spread them out there, and then we're gonna mix it all in. We're gonna pour a little bit of sea moss water in the sauce. Make sure you get your sea moss gel. It's just 1 tablespoon of sea moss and some lime in there as well. Make sure y'all get y'all some sea moss on the website and the link in the description. We're just gonna stir that around. While we're doing that, I'm just gonna put a little salt around. Oh, you gonna help me stir? Don't waste it. Don't waste it. We're just gonna put some Italian seasoning all over it. Alright, I took the flash off. Alright, then we're gonna put some black pepper, a little bit of black pepper. Just a little bit over there. Alright, so I stirred up my sauce. Well, avocados. And she gonna put that chickpea in there. Look, that's gone. It don't have to be perfect. Then we're gonna put our sauce in our pan. Ooh. Then I'm gonna put some water in there and then shake it up, and I'm gonna stir it all around. Here, hold it for me. Hold the camera. Let's see if Egypt can hold the camera. Yeah, hold it. Hold it up. Up. Lift it up over there. Yeah, just like that. Hold it up for me. Y'all, Egypt is holding up the camera. Oh, well, she dropped it. There we go. We're mixing everything in. Ooh, look at that, y'all. Y'all be mixing everything else in? Y'all, do y'all be mixing veggies in with stuff? Here, put that back in there. Put that back in there for me. Thank you. That's tomatoes. Got your onions. Carrots. I really don't do carrots like that, but like I said in my last video, Ethiopia grows a lot of carrots here, so I rather like have them here than in the States. So I'd rather have carrots here than in the carrots in the States. So I usually put olives in my chickpea salad as well. But the city that I'm in currently, I couldn't really see olives in the shop. I am just wasting all of this on the floor. Oh my goodness. All of this is just getting everywhere. This is like, oh my goodness. One pot. This is like what you call a one pot meal. One pot veggie meal. It'll never disappoint. Never disappoint. And the only thing you gotta cook is the chickpeas. And really, you don't have to cook the chickpeas if you sprout them all the way. I just didn't let it go all the way like days and stuff. Let me taste that. Yeah, this is good. This is really, really, really good. You like it? You keep trying it. Yeah, this is lovely. How are you gonna fit it back in there? Yeah, this is real good. Yeah, I recommend y'all try that. Get into it. In 4K. Get into them veggies in 4K. Yay! Veggies in 4K. Hey! Veggies in 4K. Hey! Okay, let me stop. Let me go, y'all. This is good. Try it.